Hi everyone, welcome back. I am very excited for this one. I am doing my biggest ever deconstructed bloom. This is a 2-foot by 3-foot canvas. I did this deconstructed, but here, maybe I'll hold it this way. This deconstructed bloom a while back, inspired by Karen from Waterfall Acrylics and her beautiful blooms. But I did it with pearlescent paints in the mix, and I really, really love the way it came out. So today I'm not doing purples. Today I am doing it in blues. Let's paint. All right, I am going to jump right into this one. I have a huge bucket of black that I mixed in a little bit of pearlescent blue, but I don't think you'll be able to see it that much. But because I changed the opacity because those pearls are very transparent, I did go ahead and paint my sides. For colors, I'm using gold, phthalo blue, turquoise green. I have a big cup because I don't know if I'll swirl any through the background for the pearlescent blue here. And then I have Amsterdam's greenish blue. So I am super excited, and I am just gonna go ahead and pour this base coat. I am using Berta here, the small one, because I want to be able to get like tiny petals. And I think I'm gonna do one here, and one here. I think. I don't know. On canvases this big, I feel like it might be better to do like 2 here and 1 in the center. I think I'm gonna start with 3, and then I'll have some negative space, and we'll see how that goes. So first, for the base coat, and I don't know if I'll need all of this. Maybe I'll save just a little bit of it. Maybe I'll just do it with my palette knife. Okay, let's see how much that will be. I might save some for the edges. So let me spread that out. Ooh, you can see a little bit of the blue in there right now, swirled through. I don't actually know if you'll be able to see it, but maybe I will just swirl a tiny bit of that pearl blue through there. Let's just see. Let's just see. Okay, who knows? Okay, now I have to decide what color I want to do. I think I'm gonna start with the turquoise. All right, so I still hadn't made my decision yet of what I wanna do, but I think I'm just gonna kind of go for it. I think I'm gonna do 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. We'll see how that goes first, and I can always do another one. I should have done that one a little bit closer in, but we'll see. Dang, I do still feel like I should do 1 on that side and 1 on that side. All right, it's gonna be abstract either way. Now I'm going to come in, and I think I'll do my pearl. I think I'll layer my pearl twice. I think I'm gonna go with the pearl blue now. Trying to like move it over that way a little bit. Pearl blue now, then my phthalo blue. Not too much of the phthalo blue, just a little bit. And then maybe I'll do pearl, phthalo blue, then a little bit more phthalo blue, and then gold. Let's see how this comes out. Oh, I'm so excited because that purple one is really like one of my favorites. Good amount of gold. Not worried about any spillage because the blow dryer will catch that. It's going to fan it out. I don't know. I feel like maybe I want one more tiny. Oh, I spilled it. I spilled it. Let me clean that up. Okay, cleaned it up. I had paint on the side of the cup right here, and it makes it so slippery, and it just slipped right through my hands. And it had a little bit of, let me see if I can show you, it had a little bit of the phthalo blue off the table. So I actually ended up creating this pretty pearl blue color. All right, that is it. I'm glad it wasn't the base color. So now I am going to swirl my swipe activator through there, my swipe catalyst, which will be the deconstructed bloom catalyst. This is just Australian Floetrol and Oxide Black mixed together. Yep. There we go. All right, let's see how this is going to go. So I will do, I think I'm going to try to do kind of like a, I normally pour the black in the middle, and I feel like it's always too much, and I don't get the reaction when I blow it out. So I am going to put a good amount, but I'm going to layer it like right on top instead of, yeah, pouring it out. This looks super cool already. Okay, so try not to get too much in the center. Oh, I hope this one turns out anything like the purple one did. Okay, is this enough? Is this enough? I feel like this is a lot. Ooh, I dripped that little drip. It's actually really cool because the black is sinking into, I think that's plenty. It's not like fully covered like the other one, but let's see how that goes. But the black is actually turning blue from the pearls already, so that's pretty cool. All right, let's blow it out. I think this is going to be so pretty. Wow, wow, wow. I love the gold. I think the pearls are going to show up. I tried to blow these into one another so that there wouldn't be too much space. Like, I'm going to just try to kind of touch those together. I don't know. We'll see. And then I am just going to pour a little bit of this base around. And then I have a little jug of the black that's mixed with pearls that I can add to it. Circling like that, if you were going to try this, circling like that gave a really pretty effect in the center instead of pouring a big puddle on top of it. All right, I'm going to try to be conscious to not hurt my back and lift this like over my head, but I did want to pick it up to tilt it. Get that over that side. Back down. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I think it's gonna be amazing. Okay. I'm gonna go to the other side and tilt it so you'll see the overhead view so I don't have to like pick it up. I mean, I am going to see how this dries, but even as it is right now, I think this is one of the best, one of my most favorite paintings that I have made this year. I even like this portion that I thought I wasn't going to like. You can see the 3 distinct blooms, but I blew enough out in each one to cover those spaces. I will show you in a second, but I have all these multi-color ringlets. The turquoise reacted gorgeous with this mixture. You're gonna have a lot of shine from the gold, and then I can't wait to see how the pearls dry. So I'll take you in and I'll show you what this looks like now. I cannot wait to see how it dries, but look at these effects now. The turquoise reacted so well. And then there's all these tiny little turquoise parts. The gold is gonna be so pretty. I think it's gonna look really 3D. Look at that. And then that's gonna be pearl blue. So it's gonna look dark when it dries, but I think it's definitely going to show up when the light hits it. Look at that little cell right there. Look at those with little ringlets around them. Ah! Okay, all right. And then there it is. I think I'll probably have the composition vertical on this one. Yay! All right, I'll show you how it dries. I am so happy with how this one came out. It's got these beautiful, I gotta step back a little bit so that you can get, because otherwise the light will like reflect off of it. But it's got these beautiful like multi-ringlet cells. Really pretty. The gold reacted really pretty in it. I love all those tiny little cells around the outside. It's got some beautiful lacing in there as well. The turquoise reacted really beautifully. And the gold is super shiny. There's so many details in it. I am so happy. Yay! So my biggest one yet, and I don't know, it's between the purple and the blue, but I love these colors together. So I kind of feel like maybe this is my biggest and best one yet. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Happy painting. Bye.